Hey guys, I'm Igor from IMCustoms, and today we are going to take a look and unbox this Bitspower CPU block for water cooling your CPU. More precisely, it's Bitspower Summit EF Intel Acrylic top version of this block, and I want to thank Bitspower for sending me this unit for my project Ultima, which you can find in the links below. Also, if you want to learn how to mount this block on your CPU, you can check out this link right here, which I'll put up when it's ready. So we are now ready to see what's in this beautiful box, and let's do it! As you can see, Bitspower blocks come in these simple design boxes with just a product name on top and these few straps. We have a few logos on the sides and a full name of a block right here, as well as his version, which is Intel in this case. On the bottom part we have sockets compatibility, and we don't mind these AMD sockets for now, because ours is Intel, of course. So we can open this box now. And when we remove a cover, we can see again Bitspower logo, and we open it. And there is a little box with accessories, I guess. And let's see what's in it. So we have a manual and a bag of accessories. Let's check the manual. And the manual is pretty detailed, with images for Intel 2011 socket and the rest of Intel sockets. And we have some warning highlights here, and that should be all. And let's see what's in this bag. So we get a lot of bolts, washers, screws, everything, even some springs for block mounting. We have a thermal paste, and it's ceramic 2 by Arctic Silver, and you should be able to see that right now. And also we get this Bitspower badge, and it's a real hard badge, not a sticker, which is very good, and you can mount it on your case or whatever. And this part is interesting. I think this is a wrench for removing the top part of a block, and this is one O-ring that goes alongside the top part and base of a block. So this is the first time I see this included in block assembly, because most of the manufacturers don't like you to remove the top of a block, because you can void the warranty that way. But I guess Bitspower doesn't mind that and even encourages you to do that. And I guess it's for replacing your top of a block if you want to paint it or do anything with it. So we can move this all to the side. And let's see what else we got. A block, of course. And we'll first look at this backplate. And I think this is a universal backplate for both Intel and AMD sockets, even though we got only Intel version of a block. So that's very good. There is nothing else left in the box, only some foam padding. And let's check out the block itself. So the block is very nicely packed. It's a vacuumed bag, and plus it has this silica gel to remove moisture, but I don't think it has any moisture because it has no air in it. And I won't unpack it right at this time, I'll just show it to you, and I'll unpack it in my mounting tutorial. So we have these two holes for 5mm LEDs, which you can insert there to make your whole block glow. And we also have these 3mm holes for LEDs. And I don't know if you can see that, but there are two arrows, one pointing that way and one this way. So a manufacturer suggests you to route the water in your loop that way that this hole is an intake and this is an outtake. But you can do it any way around. I don't think it will matter too much. So I forget to mention, this block is full copper with nickel plating on it, and the top part is plexiglass or acrylic. And that should be all. So guys, we have now finished unboxing this Bitspower block for CPU water cooling. And you can once again see everything that comes packed with this block. For the mounting tutorial, you can click the link on the screen and it will be available in a few days. And that should be all. Like the video if you liked it. You can leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. I'm Igor from IMCustoms. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.